What if I told you if you add chickpeas and pecans to a food processor, it would turn out to be one of the best substitutes for vegan taco meat? That's exactly what I did here. I added 2 cans of drained chickpeas with some pecans and some no beef bouillon. I actually had 1 cube. I added it to my food processor so that it can have a nice flavor to it. Look at the grounds, look at the texture, you guys. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to my skillet with some red onions. Y'all know I love my red onions, okay? So I sauteed the crap out of these. I literally caramelized them, added my vegan grounds, my chickpeas and pecans. Now this is where the magic actually happens. You're gonna actually cook this down until it gets nice and brown. There's my Foodies. Taco seasonings, like the best, low sodium and all. Take that seasoning, add it to your chickpeas and your pecans, and I'm telling you, in minutes, it's going to turn into looking like a taco meat. I also added some diced jalapenos. Okay, let's get into this recipe. Ooh, it's like a pow. It's like a kick. All right, now it's time to pair my pickled vegetables with my chickpea taco mix, and we're starting to build out our chickpea tacos. A little bit of romaine lettuce. I had to get all up in here, y'all. All up in this mason jar to get all of this delicious, savory goodness. Look at the bottom. Look at my chickpea tacos. It's time to go on in. All right, lovelies, I'm going all in for one bite. Oh. Oh my gosh. Slam dunk. Make this. That's it. Bye. I'm back, y'all. I'm sorry. I apologize. I owe you all an apology. I did not give you a proper taste test. I got so excited. And I was just like, what's going on here? It was like my mouth was like full with exuberance of flavors. The chickpeas, okay. The chickpea texture with the pecans is the perfect texture to make your vegan grounds. It tastes so similar to taco meat. I kid you not. No hype. I added that Foodies taco seasoning. It's a nice balance. Chickpeas are non-intrusive with flavor, so you can season them as you see fit, you guys. Oh my gosh. And it will take and absorb the flavor of what you're seasoning with. So it's like little crumbles, like literally, y'all can see this in my hand right here, okay? Now, the pickled vegetables adds a whole nother heightening of flavor to your tacos. You can taste the robustness and that powerful jalapeno, but then pickled with the vinegar and the peppercorn, you guys, the fresh garlic, the shallots, the radishes that are bold with flavor as well, the carrots that balances out with a hint of sweetness, you guys, okay? How am I doing on the taste test? So delicious. Got so excited. Then you have some added layers of texture with the romaine lettuce for crunch and the taco shells, which I put in the oven just to be able to get them nice and crispy. All of that was going in my mouth, so I could not talk properly to y'all, could not speak to you properly about it. Nonetheless, tell me and let me know if you're gonna make this. So freaking delicious. This is like my favorite vegan crumble. Sorry, lentils, still love you, but welcome, chickpeas. Talk to y'all later, bye.